Welcome back to another stadium construction update. Today, there's visible structural progress across multiple areas. Anchor installations moving forward, glazing work advancing, welding activity on the upper levels, and panel installations gaining momentum. Let's take a closer look at what's changing on site. A notable update in this north goal corner is the installation of anchors for the louvre supports. The left sector now has anchors placed along the brackets and lower sections. However, the right sector has not yet received its anchors, as work is progressing from left to right. This is significant progress given that the support structures themselves have been in place for quite some time now. Moving to the center of the north goal, there is considerable noise coming from the upper levels, indicating active work above. Welding activity is also visible in this zone. Several pre-assembled pieces are already waiting to be installed in this section. The vertical unions needed on the black beams, which will form the false ceiling structure, have still not been placed here, and there are no new updates in this regard. Concrete panels stored near the diamond remain ready and waiting, and we could see them installed in the coming weeks. At the Tribune corner, several workers are active on the upper levels. A good number of glass panels have already been lifted and are staged up top, ready for installation. Down below, anchor unions for the louvre supports are in place, but no actual louvre supports have been installed yet. A large quantity of louvre support pieces remain prepared on the ground, waiting to be lifted into position. This is one of the most active areas today. Sandwich panel installation is visibly progressing along the Tribune structure, with workers actively placing them as we film. A fresh delivery of prefabricated grandstand pieces has also arrived. Elevated platforms are working along both the interior scaffolding and the exterior structure. The section is looking increasingly impressive, with the glass facades and panel cladding coming together nicely. At the diamond, a worker was busy securing the metal framing between the glass panels on the upper section of the entrance doors. The remaining glass panels needed to complete this area are already on site and prepared. 2 weeks ago, the corner panels were installed. Hopefully, the final few door panels will follow this week, completing the diamond glazing. At the south goal, workers are applying a material to the back of the black truss beams using a spatula. Anchor installations for the louvre supports have not yet started in this zone, unlike the north goal where they are already underway. Multiple workers are active inside the scaffolding, and elevated platforms are operating across the section. A concrete pump is also visible in this area, suggesting structural work is ongoing. On the right side of the lateral, workers are assembling protective barriers around the scaffolding structures. Elevated platforms are active along the exterior, working on the louvre supports, tightening fixings from behind. Below the hollow core slabs, crews are working on pipe installations. Additionally, workers on the upper level are drilling into the floor and installing tubes that appear to be conduit for the LED lighting system integrated into the louvre blades. So that's today's construction progress update. If you want to stay updated with the latest weekly developments, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're close to reaching 1,000 subscribers, so your support really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.